birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy. Ano wish mo? Anong wish?
Dagdagan pa ng Panginoon ng ating buhay. Maraming salamat. Diyos na lang ang makakala. Thank you ako sa kanya. Marami akong blessing.
Yay!
So, one more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy. Sampa!
Happy 85th birthday, Lola. I hope you have a fun birthday with great food that you can share with all the people that you love and create fun, happy memories that you'll remember for the rest of your life. And just know that we love you very much and we miss you. And also we wish that you get well soon. Happy birthday. We love you, Grandma. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Kalaingan, para makarawarkan Lola. Birthday, God bless.
Happy birthday, Mami Sam.
Tita, happy birthday. And I wish you all the best on your birthday and best wishes for your health, happiness, of course your peace of mind, and the best of wealth from your richness comes from the Lord. So I hope that you will have a blessed day, and I hope that we will have more birthdays to celebrate with you. I love you.
Hello, Mami Saming. Happy birthday. I wish I was there to enjoy the birthday with you, with Rochelle and Rachel, but I'm glad that they're there safely. And now that they're there with you. And also, Rachel's gonna have her birthday soon, so, you know, that's gonna be a great time with you and the family. So let's enjoy it. And always in my prayers. I'm always in your prayers. You're always in my prayers. Just have fun. Love you.
Hi, Mommy. First of all, I would like to thank the Lord na naabot mo ang 85th birthday mo kahit meron kang sakit ngayon. Today is a special day for you that God has given you. So, I pray na maging healthy ka pa at i-bless ka pa ng Lord.
Happy 85 birthday, Auntie. Tiwis ko kanyang anting nagsapay ko mata. Ikan nakapangni ako ti adpadupay nga karagkad ken salon at kapya ragsag iti pusom. Idaw-dawat ko kini ako nga sapay ko mata. Ipaay na ti complete healing ken recovery din ka Auntie. Tapos makadinakat na ka pa tinapay-paya. I wish you the best. God bless and we love you, Auntie. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bakit! I love you, Bakit. Pasensya ka, tahan nga nakaumay, maatarusan na meten, isip na po na. Tinasayat, Bakit ka, agpaimbag ka, agpapiksa ka, mawag ka lang takin ni Apo, dawatin ni ka nang pay, dati ko pa nagbiyagutin. Dingin lagi ni Bagbatin ka, Apo na. Sabay ko ba, sulungan natin ni Apo, kahit bakit ko pa tiniyag-utin. Dingin na, ligit na. Araraw takit. Kadapati sa lunat mo na nayon. I love you, Bakit.
Happy birthday, Mami. Sapay ito umimbagkan, Mami. Kanakapay niya ako, tinawadwad, akaradkad mo, tiyag nanayon nga aldaw. At nung makadwada ka pa, iti adupay nga aldaw, tingin ka pa nag-birthday tumanin to na sumaro no nga tawin kan ka adupay nga tawin nga sumangbay ngayon ka pa nag-birthday. Happy birthday, Mami. Lab na labda ka. Dahil tatlaglag from handa ka nga baybay-at. Labda ka, Mami.
Happy birthday, Mommy. God bless you. Get well soon.
Happy birthday, Mosaming. Happy birthday, Mosaming. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, I love Mosaming. Wish you a happy birthday and may your pain be banished. And I hope you be healed and I hope
Happy 85th birthday, Mami. We love you. Nagnagipan na ay attend na ka. Even di kita anak na may ti adayo. Dito pinapakita na ay attend na ka unay. Agpalaing ka Ken Jai, hanggang unay dalos ngamin. So takal alam deta na mo hospital ka. So happy 85th birthday, Mami. We love you. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Auntie. At pagsaka, tapos ka na kasta. May nakantaman pa siya rin. I love you, Auntie.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. Happy 85th birthday. God bless you always. Pagaling ka, Auntie. Sana next year, magkita-kita pa rin tayo. Auntie, we love you so much. Happy birthday.
Auntie, happy birthday. Dapat magpalakas ka na para makalabas ka na sa ospital. Magkita-kita tayo sa birthday mo.
Ante, happy birthday. Pagaling ka dyan. Sana hindi ka magbago sa amin kahit ako lang ang pumunta. Namanugang mo. I love you, Ante.
Happy birthday, Auntie. More birthdays to come and God bless always. Thank you, Auntie.
Hello, Ante. Happy 85th birthday. Agpaimbag ka, Ante, Tado kami nga gayayat din ka. Ado kami nga magikarkararag. Kaya nga, panaggimbag mo. At madaming tumana ay birthday mo bigat. Katado pa nga tao, Ante. Adda nga. Sumangbay nga panag-birthday mo. We love you. Ay, ado kami nga kakatang magayat din ka. Rigatay kaanak mo. Amin na. Ado kami. I love you. We love you all. Love you, Auntie.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. Happy 85th birthday. I love you, Auntie. God bless you always. Sana magpagaling ka na para magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na birthday mo. Thank you, Auntie. I love you.
Hello, Auntie. Muna, pagyamanan ni Tia po Diyos, tanadanon na ng 85th birthday. Oray no, at nakatagda di hospital, pero ikarkaralag ni, hindi pa naglaing mo. More years to celebrate, Auntie. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ante. Ang palaing ka, anda ka lang nga paspasyaman mi dito. Thank you, Ante, sa pagmamahal mo sa amin. So, I love you, Ante. Nang-aral ka.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Para sa Sibarutan family. Hangad namin ng mabuti mong kalagayan at naway bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng mahabang buhay para sa aming mga pamangkin mo. Happy birthday and we love you.
Happy birthday, Mami Saming. I wish you all the best. Ipaipay ni Apo Kimanayon nga salon at mo pigsa yung kired buwag na namin. At da kami amin ito, nga kanak iparik namin king ka, napalaos nga panagayat mo king ka, and God bless you always. We love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie. We love you always. Big Wilson para makalabas ka na.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Sana umaling ka na. At mabuhay ka pa ng matagal para makakapasel pa kami dito sa lawag para sa iyo. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola. More birthdays to come and get well soon.
Happy birthday, Lola. I love you. Palain ka.
Happy birthday, Lola. Palakas ka pa. Palakas ka pa.
Hello, Ate. Happy birthday. Kahit na malayo ako, pumunta ako rito dahil sa birthday mo. Kasi mahal na mahal kita, Ate. Yung tumawag ka sa akin nung pizza 15 na ikaw daw may sakit, ay hindi ako mapakali. Kaya pumunta ako rito sa inyo. Nakita kita. Buhay ka pa at masaya. Ngayon, te, magpagaling ka. Happy birthday. I love you. Thank you, te, sa birthday mo.
Happy 85th birthday, Mommy. We are so thankful and grateful from our Lord that He gave you more years to celebrate your birthday. And you are so lucky because all of us from here, and even Mang Melody and Mang Donna, we love you so much. And even if they're not here, you are always in their hearts. So, we wish you all the best, good health, no more pain, and God bless you always. We love you, Mommy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie! Happy birthday